In my previous video, I already showed you how to find any company owner or CEO leads using Sonobi.io. But in today's video, I will show you how to find that information without using any tools. So guys, let's get started. Hey there, it's Sabek here. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I create video about lead generation, how to scrape leads without any coding. Make sure to hit subscribe button if you don't miss my next video. Before we dive in, I want to share something important. Many of you asked me, if we can find leads with tools, why should we research manually? Well guys, here's the truth. Sometimes tools don't give you the leads you are looking for, and if you are a lead generation professional, you should never depend only on tools. That's why we research manually to find our leads. Guys, this is my CSV file that I show you my previous video. The first business company lead we find using Sonobi.io, but today we research manually and find this business owner information. When we use Sonobi.io, that time we copy company website, but today we copy business company name. Let I copy this American for physical therapy. Just click copy. Now open your Chrome browser and find Google search bar, and at first paste this company name, then space. Now we write job title. If you want to find CEO, you can write CEO or owner, or you can type founder, co-founder, manager, whatever you want. Let I type owner, then we space and type LinkedIn profile, then click enter. Guys, why we type LinkedIn profile? If you are a lead generation professional, you know every tools collect leads from person LinkedIn profile. So if we visit those person LinkedIn profile, we can easily find their leads. So we click this person. Okay, this person is the owner this company. This way we can easily find business employee information. Now I want to show you another way to find leads. Guys, let I choose this company name. Click copy and go to Chrome browser and paste this company name and type owner LinkedIn profile. Click enter. Can you see guys, we don't find this company owner profile LinkedIn, but we find this company LinkedIn page. Just click this one. If you don't find company employee profile, you can visit company page, and now we can click employee, and guys, this way you can easily find this company employee information. Provide first and second page, and we visit second page employee information. But guys, some profile you don't find access because this profile show you LinkedIn member. So if we click this profile, they show this text. You don't have access to this profile. So how we collect this person information? We just copy this person information, click copy, and open a new tab. Just paste this person information Google search bar and click enter. So guys, we scroll down and find this person LinkedIn profile. We just click this one. We just visit this profile link. Can you see guys, we find this person profile this way. This is the same person. We don't access this person profile, but when we paste this Google search bar and find this person profile link, guys, this way you can easily find company employee information. But guys, how you can collect this person email? Guys, we use a extension. This extension name is Kendo Sourcing Ninja. This extension provides his email address. Also we can use another extension. This extension name is Signal Hire. This extension we will find his through email. But guys, if you cannot add those extension, you can simply visit my YouTube channel and just watch this video, scrape verified emails fast and free. This video I already show you how to edit Kendo Sourcing Ninja extension and collect email easily. Guys, this video I don't copy and paste those person name, job title, email and LinkedIn profile. I hope you can easily understand how to find business employee information without any tools. After collect those information, you can paste your CSV file or Google Drive, whichever you want to prefer, and deliver to your client. I hope this video is helpful for you. Make sure to hit subscribe button if you don't miss my next video. Also, if you have any query, don't forget to ask in the comment box. Also guys, you can connect my LinkedIn profile. I try to share my knowledge. This is my LinkedIn profile. Also, you can follow my Twitter profile. If you don't miss my any post, you can connect my Twitter and LinkedIn profile. You can easily find those profile link in my description box. If you need any lead generation service, you can easily find my email address in the description below. So guys, see you in the next video.